What's up, everyone? All right, so today is my first day officially trading in the bus, and it was a good day. Up $40,000 in my main account, not bad at all. And this is my new trading station, laptop, 2 monitors, sitting on a little table here, and the open road ahead. So that's my new life. I hope you guys enjoy the recap. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the trading station and why I'm doing this during the recap. And I'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. All right, now, hey, as always, trading is risky. So don't trade with real money until you've proven profitability in a simulator. My results are not typical. Take it slow. Most people lose money trading. All right, so with that, I hope you guys enjoy the recap. All right, everyone. So today is, Tuesday. I don't know, just a regular day, I guess. But today was day one in my small account challenge, trading with no leverage. In my main account, this is kind of, I guess, a regular day. So traded 2, 4, 6 different stocks, green on 5 out of 6, which is good. Red on MDIA, but green on everything else. So AHPI, man, look at this thing. So strong. It's up 132%. I got in it, but I got in it a little late, and I made some money, but I didn't really crush it. And I was actually down 7,000 on it before I turned that from red to green with a nice $14,000 winner. The problem was I just had gotten in a little too high for the break of 750 with 20,000 shares right here. It was right here. I stopped out for a loss, was down $3,000 or $7,000 on it. I was up 3 and then down 7, so I lost 10,000. But then I got back in right here on that squeeze back up and got myself, from red to green. So kind of a little choppy on that one, AHPI, but it just continues grinding higher. Although the problem with trading it up in these areas is that as it grinds higher, you keep seeing these topping tail candles at the highs. So it makes me nervous to go long, and I just don't want to FOMO into it. So I'm green on it, and I'm not going to trade it anymore. So that was AHPI, a number of micro pullbacks, a number of good opportunities. Let's see. Works, this one was our second leading gapper this morning. Kind of interesting because I thought maybe there was more in it. I got $2,000 of profit. We had this squeeze at the open, which I jumped into in the 430s for the break through the $0.50, hit 68, dropped down. Then I got back in as it ripped back up to 480, was looking for the trade to 5, didn't get it, stopped out, gave back a little off the top on that. OSAT was our leading gapper this morning. This one I sort of had a hard time with. I did have some trades pre-market, and I did have a trade at the open all the way to 1372, then back down to 1182, then back up to 1350, squeezing to a high of 1485, then flushing all the way back to 12. Talk about choppy. I got green on it, but it was a couple close calls. So just not easy for me. Let's see. Then we had BLIN. Did I already look at that one? BLIN. This one, so took a trade on this micro pullback as it was squeezing up off of the 960s, looking for the squeeze up to 10. My best exit, or I guess 955, I stopped out when it came back down. But yeah, kind of tricky. It didn't break over 10. Big sellers stacked up. CLNN, this was the biggest winner today. News headline posted at 906 that this was a short squeeze candidate. So I wasn't really sure where that came from, but we saw this at the time squeeze from 15 up to 1550, then up to 16. Gave a micro pullback, 1650. This one I took in my small account, but I added kind of high in my big account, 1750 and 18, and this micro pullback right here. But that ended up working out okay. We did get a move up to 1995, and then a little bit of a pullback, and then a pop there up to 1965. Then I tried to do a trade right here long for the break of 20, stopped out for a loss. Tried to do a dip off VWAP, stopped out for a second loss. Then got back in for the curl off the low, which was like right in here, and a small green trade. And then that was it. I kind of was like, all right, I don't seem to be on the right side on this one. It seems to be coming back down. So that was CLNN. And then MDIA was the one that I'm red on. This one was a momentum stock from yesterday. So was CLNN. Both were momentum from yesterday. And neither really followed through in the best way, which is kind of a bummer. But this squeezed up to 18 yesterday. Really nice move in the afternoon. This morning, as it started to curl up, I thought, all right, I'll give it a shot. But just got stopped out quickly on that for pretty much an instant $2,000 loss. So it is what it is. I went for the break of VWAP. It was right into this candle here. I should have waited for the confirmation of the break. AHPI looks like it just tapped $10. You've got 60 million shares of volume. High is $9.94. From $4 to $10, up 142%. Wow. Well, I left some money on the table today, that's for sure. But I suppose that's probably true every day. And if I can get green and shut it down, then, that's another solid day. We're coming up to about, it's the 13th. So getting close to the halfway point on the month here. And as I mentioned this the other day, I actually don't know where I sit on the month in terms of profit. I haven't been keeping track, and I think that that's kind of good. I feel like as long as I keep trading and I keep having days like this, I'm going to have a great month. If I make 100, that's good. If I make 150, or if I make 200, that's great. But what does it really help me or serve me right now to see how much I'm up? It gives me kind of my high water mark if I start to lose money, and then it works against me. If I see I'm up a lot, maybe I start to be a little more aggressive because I'm thinking, wow, I'm having a great month. Let's, put the pedal to the metal. But I don't know. I feel like hasn't been serving me in previous months to be kind of obsessed with where I sit on the month. So right now I'm sort of letting that go, and I'm just trading each day, one trade a day in the small account, and then trading in my big account and seeing where the day takes me. So that's it for me. $40,000 green day, trading in, Volkswagen bus. So doing something a little different and kind of just switching it up. I really I love working. I love my little office working station, and I kind of like switching it up and setting it up. Half the fun of the trading station is like putting it all together and kind of getting your little nook, your little kind of workstation. So I really enjoy it, and this is sort of fun for me. So I've got my little table here for those that didn't see on in the small account recap. So I've got my kind of little table here, and that I put right there. I've got my laptop, 2 USB monitors, and the fresh air. It's nice. Nice view. It's been drizzling a little bit today, which is it's been really like raining almost every day so far in July here. But just enjoying trading outside and enjoying the warm weather. I certainly won't be able to do this in 6 months, so might as well enjoy it. And I'll be back in the office for sure for the winter anyway. So I'm just going to kind of camp out here for the next little bit, I guess, until, I don't know. If there's a day where it's just too hot, then I probably won't, because this will just be baking in the sun. But right now, the weather is scheduled to be overcast and cloudy for pretty much the rest of this week. So it looks like tomorrow might be a little warmer, but it looks cloudy every single day for as far out as the forecast goes right now. So I think I'm okay to be in the bus for a little while longer. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you first thing tomorrow morning. Tomorrow will be day 2 of the Small Account Challenge. All right, I'll see you guys then. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.